Hi, I'm Assistant Professor Nicole Conroy, and I'm in the Human Development and Family Studies program here at UVM. And to start, I'm going to share with you a little bit about Human Development and Family Studies as a field because I find HDFS in and of itself exciting. HDFS is actually an interdisciplinary program that is built off of what psychologists, biologists, and sociologists have come to know about human development, as well as the formation of intimate relationships and the environments in which we live. So we look at how the person affects their environment, as well as how the environment affects individual development, as well as the development of intimate relationships and families over time. So what's really neat for our students in HDFS is that they can hone in on a variety of things. It's a really broad field and, again, interdisciplinary. So if somebody is interested in conception, labor, delivery, and birth, for example, that has a place in HDFS. Or we can skip to the other end of the lifespan, and students might explore interests in dying, death, or other aspects of late adulthood. So there are a lot of opportunities for students to get a breadth of knowledge, but also hone in on something of interest to them. And then we have classes that focus on the formation of intimate relationships, as well as the maintenance and dissolution of intimate relationships over time. So what's really interesting for our students as well is that we really value active learning, whether you are in a small class or a large lecture, whether you are in the classroom or you're learning outside of the classroom. So for example, our students actually start the HDFS program by taking an Intro to HDFS class, which is a 4-credit service learning course that gets them out in the community with youth organizations. And what they do is they come back to the classroom and work on their own time to make connections between the academic concepts and their professional experiences in the field. Our students do this again as they enter their senior internship. The difference there is that they actually get to pick the area of interest to them, and they self-select the community organizations that they work with because they've built more skills and knowledge over time. A particularly exciting opportunity for me was last academic year when I was working with undergraduate students in my research lab. And they were actually asked to serve a community agency that works with victims of domestic violence. And the students actually went in and facilitated a series of professional development workshops for the staff members at this domestic violence agency. And undergraduate seniors were basically translating complex scholarly literature to help the staff members better understand how to utilize research to inform their practice. And it was really incredible to see undergraduate students facilitating professional development meetings for professional staff members in the community. And overall, I really just love being in a field that crosses disciplinary boundaries, and our students have used their foundation in HDFS to really springboard them into a variety of academic and professional futures. And for those in the College of Education and Social Services who don't major in HDFS, it is an excellent complement to the variety of majors that we do offer, and we see many students opt into a minor in HDFS as well.